Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using a Mastercard with Citibank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using a Mastercard with Citibank, first, ensure you have your Citibank Mastercard in hand. Next, locate the card activation details that come with your new card. Visit the Citibank website or download their mobile app to begin the activation process. Log in to your Citibank account, or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, look for the option to activate your new card. Enter the card details as prompted, including your card number and expiration date. Follow any additional prompts to verify your identity. After activation, familiarize yourself with the card's features and benefits. Set up your online banking profile to manage your account easily. Add your Mastercard as a payment option in your preferred digital wallets. Consider setting up alerts for transactions to stay informed of your spending. When making purchases, ensure that the merchant accepts Mastercard. Swipe, insert, or tap your card at point-of-sale terminals as needed. To use your card online, enter the card information during checkout. Keep track of your expenses through the Citibank app or website. Review your monthly statements to monitor your spending and payments. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Citibank customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to using your Citibank Mastercard confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.